Hello! Today I'm going to teach you how easy it is to assemble the NewTechWood Ultra Shield Natural composite decking. The decking comes in many different colors, and the color we'll be installing today is Peruvian teak. With NewTechWood Ultra Shield technology, you don't have to worry about the boards fading, molding, or rotting. The product is made to last for years, so you will never have to stain or paint your deck again. Let's go over some general guidelines for installing the NewTechWood Natural composite decking. First, make sure that your joists are spaced 16 inches or 40 centimeters apart for residential decks and 12 inches or 30 centimeters for stair treads and commercial decks. If you're installing the composite decking at an angle to the joists, please refer to our joist spacing chart, which can be found in the installation instructions or on our website. If this is a remodel of an old deck, make sure that all the joists and posts are structurally sound before installing NewTechWood deck boards. The composite decking requires a minimum support of 1.5 inches or 38 millimeters at every joist. This means you will need to install sister joists at any butt joints and a ladder joist if you're going to use a breaker board between rows. Allow boards to acclimate at the building location for 2 days prior to installation. It's important when acclimating the boards to lay them straight on a flat surface. Make sure that you have sharp carbide-tipped saw blades so that the cuts are clean. To get the most out of your composite deck, we recommend sealing all cuts and routed areas with a water-based sealant. Be sure to follow all local building codes when installing the structural frame and composite decking. If using a chalk line, use only white chalk, as any other color may permanently stain the decking. When using screws, make sure you purchase screws made for composite decking. Then, test the screws on a scrap piece to make sure it doesn't mushroom. If it does, you will need to pre-drill them. When hidden fasteners aren't being used, the decking should have 2 screws at every joist, with no screws closer than 1.5 inches or 38 millimeters to any edge.